going to be doing a very exciting video. I'm doing my parents living my life for a day, so we're kind of like switching lives for a day, so. Before I start, definitely subscribe. The link will be right here and down below. And make sure you turn on my post notifications. It's just that little bell thing, so definitely click it to be notified when I upload because YouTube is making it super hard for people to see like videos and stuff, so make sure you click that. They have no idea. It's currently Saturday at 10 a.m. Got an air horn and they're gonna be shook in a couple of seconds. Without further ado, let's make my parents shook. Okay, don't ask any questions. Change into your workout stuff and meet me in the garage.
Okay. Yeah, you're good.
Okay, so you guys are gonna be living my life for a day, so you guys have to make sure that you vlog everything. Make sure you vlog. And the first thing that I do every day is workouts. 30 minutes of cardio. Yeah, great, thanks. Killing it.
Got this.
You got Jack.
The camera's not on. It's recording?
Yep.
So,
Okay,
going to 4 miles per hour.
That's it?
6% incline for 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Do this.
Come on, old man. Come on, Dad. Got it.
I gotta go.
So while they're doing cardio, I'm gonna get a circuit ready for them. I feel like. No, I'm kidding.
I feel invigorated.
Oh my god.
I can conquer the day. Burpee.
And then pick it up. Do it like that. This one is just gonna be biceps. And you're gonna do it 3 times. I don't know how to do it.
We're really gonna do it 3 times. Oh my gosh. Can I start?
No! Go!
Oh, hold on. Sorry. I got a wedgie.
Wow, I'm proud.
Ready? You can't catch me. Okay, so now that you guys have worked out, you're gonna change into the shirts that I have in here.
Oh goodness. This has gotta be mine.
This is definitely mine.
Because I wear tie-dye shirts like every day.
All
This
the
is
time.
a Sarai shirt.
You know,
mine's
Daddy,
way better than
I
yours.
got it. That's my thing. Yeah. No, I hate these tags.
Okay, you guys, so we totally have our shirts on. The only thing I'm missing, don't you think I need the holes like Sarai?
Yeah.
You know how you don't think we should cut it?
You gotta earn the holes.
All right. Daddy Jones says that we have to earn the holes, so we can't cut holes in it.
I actually like this.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Don't you think I'm missing something?
No, but look at this.
Wow, it matches. We're twinning.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Oh my god.
I might even wear this tomorrow.
Next up is breakfast, and after I work out, I go to Starbucks. So we're going to Starbucks. Let's go.
Look at all our shirts.
Look at all our
You know how people look awkward when there's the camera? You don't know if you're looking at that or you're gonna
You're
look at
supposed
that.
to look at
I know,
that.
but I look at that and then I'm like this. I'm like, what the hell am I doing?
When you love
So-
yourself.
I don't do selfies at all.
You're gonna order an iced grande green tea latte with non-fat milk and 2 petite vanilla bean scones.
Saying that.
Yeah, can I get an iced grande non-fat green tea latte and 3 petite vanilla scones, please?
How old is this water?
Yes, I am not trying this nasty green tea latte. It tastes like hay. It tastes like a horse.
Duck thing that they always
The
do.
duck face?
No, Paul, it's like giving a kiss. Do you know how to get there? You go. Hi. He's cute. Oh my.
What are you doing?
stealing
I was like, trying to,
Yuck.
I drank some of that old water that she had.
Ew, don't ever touch anything in her car. Thank you, my friend. Is it bad that I just took a chocolate chip cookie because I want it? Even
You
though
ordered one?
No, but he gave me 2 bags, so I took the chocolate chip cookie with it. Thanks, Starbucks!
This is my favorite drink ever, so try it.
Why you gotta go first?
I don't want to go first. I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
There's nothing good about this at all. Why do people drink that?
Yes, it's so good.
No, that powder thing that you have.
The matcha?
That's good. That's Ew.
What?
And then the vanilla bean scones. That's what I always
I'll
get.
do that.
Those are bomb.
That's
like it?
from Diddly. That's good.
Let's go home. All right, give me kisses, daddy-o.
Okay, so the next challenge is getting ready. My dad doesn't really have to get ready. My mom is gonna do some makeup stuff that is like mine. So I have this bag full of stuff of my essentials. So, here you go. My lashes.
This is the no filter needed Krazyrayray exclusive raw greens. Cause if you don't know, now you know. Full disclosure, I've never put on fake eyelashes before. Ever, ever, ever.
Quick little question while she's getting some scissors to cut this. Do you guys think I look like my dad or my mom? I'm curious. I think I'm gonna help her because she is struggling. I'm gonna get your left eye.
That's my right eye, but okay. We know this is not a highlighter brush. We know. We just don't have one.
Wow.
Ooh. And then what?
Cubic's bone right above your lip.
Sometimes when you do that, it gets too white. I don't like it. No, really. I see it too white there.
Oh. Are your ears open? Your bottom one?
No.
I was gonna have her wear my hoop earrings. The last
I hate this stuff. This is that spray on your... So it's a dewy finish. I think I'm gonna need a lot more than dew to make it work, but hey.
Whew.
God, I smell like hairspray.
Do we look like?
Okay, you guys, so I just finished doing all of my makeup and stuff. So let me just go try and find my other half. I'm the better half, so we can say better half. Nope, he's not in here either.
What do you think of mom and dad?
What? Weirdos? My son called me a weirdo.
Try my green tea. No one likes it.
Oh, look at your eyelashes.
Yeah, what do you
I
think?
like them.
Do you notice anything else different?
No, just your eyelashes.
You don't notice anything different about my makeup?
That's not blush, that's highlight.
Highlight. All right, Sarai needs this. Outfit of the day. Nike hat. Got Sarai shirt. Nike swoosh pants. Oh, you got that Nike game.
Good
She's
job.
back
Why?
again.
You gotta take pictures.
Okay, but we're gonna go ahead and take pictures now, so we will see how this goes.
I always like to use this side of my face and then I do the duck face.
Oh my gosh, you hit this right.
My picture looks better than yours.
That's because your old eyes can't see. You don't look better.
Okay, the next challenge is I'm gonna take a little photo shoot of you guys. You guys are gonna pose together and yeah. Okay, pose. Yup.
Don't step on my shoes.
Yeah. Duck face.
Say, okay, guys.
Okay, guys.
What do you guys think about vlogging?
It's awkward.
It's really awkward. But you know what?
I was gonna have you guys film in public, but
Oh, no.
Guys, so it's been real. It's been fun.
usually throughout the day I hang out with my friends or I edit and they can't really do that, so we're just ending it right here. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Definitely subscribe and comment below. Let me know if you guys think I look like my mom or my dad. Comment below. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful day and I will see you in the next video. We have to do it at the same time. 1, 2, 3. Bye guys. Bye guys.